Mnangagwa spotted with ex-girlfriend in Vic Falls. President Emmerson Mnangagwa revisited Victoria Falls on Monday to resume a conference he abruptly left on Friday following a bomb scare at the international airport in the resort town. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. During the conference, images surfaced capturing President Mnangagwa being greeted by his son, KUTYA Mnangagwa, whom he appointed Finance Deputy Minister. A proud father greeting his son who went to school, got work experience abroad, created companies, contested and won an election, and was qualified enough to be a deputy minister. And to be fair, President Emmerson Mnangagwa gave his son a live snake. It's a tough ministry. If he wanted to pamper him, he could have given him a less demanding portfolio. In the same picture, Women Affairs Minister Monica Mnangagwa is observed appearing somewhat reserved as she casts her gaze downward. This dramatic event raised suspicion as Emmerson Mnangagwa meets his ex-girlfriend in a drastic manner. So tell us what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.